This is the Parylene coating process for PCB assemblies. Parylene is a thin protective film used to protect circuit boards from moisture, condensation, dust, corrosion, and electrical leakage. It is often selected for electronics that need reliable protection in harsh or high-humidity environments. Before coating, no-coat areas are masked to keep connectors, test points, and contact surfaces clear. The boards are then loaded onto fixtures and suspended on racks, so the coating can reach all exposed surfaces evenly. Next, the rack is placed into a vacuum chamber. Inside the chamber, Parylene is deposited from vapor, not sprayed as a liquid. This allows the film to form a very thin, uniform layer over the board, including edges, gaps, and complex component layouts. After coating, the boards are removed, demasked, inspected, and prepared for the next production step.